Hello. Today let's remove a little bit of pus from our skin around the nail because there is an paronychia. This is an inflammation of the skin around the nail, which can occur suddenly when it is usually due to the bacterium Staphylococcus, aureus, or gradually when it is commonly caused by the fungus Candida albicans. The term is from Greek itself, that means a power around, from power around and the nail, and the abstract noun suffix ia. You can see you can make it a little bit easy because you are using a sharp object to make a little hole into it, and then it comes out. The buzz is coming out here. Risk factors include repeatedly washing hands and trauma to the cuticles, such as may occur from repeated nail biting or hangnails. In this case, it is farming. Treatment includes antibiotics and antifungals, and if pus is present, the consideration of incision and drainage are possible. At home, you can make a little bit here by making a little hole and then push it out, and this will brings you joy after you perform this. If it's too hard for you, go to a doctor, of course. Paronychia is commonly misapplied as a synonym of herpetic, whitlow, or felon. Acute paronychia is usually caused by bacteria. It is often treated with antibiotics, either topical or oral, or both. Chronic paronychia is most often caused by a yeast infection of the soft tissue around the nail itself, but it can also be traced to be bacterial infection. If the infection is continuous, the cause is often fungal and needs antifungal cream or painted to be treated. In this case, we removed all the pus, and after we removed all pus by pushing out it from the problem area, we getting on top a little bit of cream on it, and after this we patched a little bit, and then it will be good after a couple of days. Painful paronychia is associated with a scaly, erythematous keratotic rash. Okay? Or ears or nose, fingers, and toes may be indicative of acrokeratosis paraneoplastica, which is associated with squamous cell carcinoma of the larynx. But here it's a standard way to make a little bit better feeling with it. You can perform this by yourself at home if you like, or go to a doctor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.